Hello everyone, I am MD Hassanuzaman. I'm going to present my journal first paper where we study the evolution of popular ad libraries of mobile apps in Google Play Store. Majority of the apps in app stores such as Google Play Store are free to download. That means app users do not have to pay any money to install and use these apps. Still, app developers of these free to download apps can earn revenue through in-app ads, where app developers display ads on mobile devices. When users interact with these ads, for example, clicking on these ads, app developers can earn revenue. A recent research of App Annie shows that in-app advertising is a growing market, and this could reach up to $200 billion by the year of 2021. Now let's take a look on how in-app advertising model work. In this model, business companies such as KFC, who wants to promote their product, has contracts with different ad networks such as Google. Each ad network provides a special library, which is called ad library. To earn revenue through in-app ads, mobile app developers need to integrate this ad library into their app. The main functionality of ad library is to communicate to ad network and serve and display ads on mobile devices. When users install this app and interact with ads, app developers can earn revenue. Therefore, ad library plays an integral role in app ecosystem. To earn more revenue, app developers integrate more than one ad library. We observed that 57.9% of the studied apps integrate more than one ad library, and the number of integrated ad library could reach up to 19 ad libraries. This integration of multiple ad libraries could cause some issues. One issue is that it increases with the overall app size. Our research, our study over 18 months of historical data of mobile app shows that app size increases by 10%. This in app size increases can be can cause some issues as well. For example, recent research shows that app size can cause a negative impact on popularity. The another issue is that maintaining of these ad libraries, for example, selecting a particular ad library for displaying ads. Therefore, in this work, we study how these ad libraries evolve over time and how app developers integrate multiple ad libraries. For our study, we select apps from Google Play Store and we identify 8 most popular ad libraries. Then we study the release notes and the years of these ad libraries over a period of 33 months. We study the evolution of ad libraries along 3 perspectives. We study the binary size of the releases. We also study the reasons for releasing a new version. And finally, we study the architecture of ad libraries. We identify 4 trends in the evolution of binary size of the studied ad libraries: explosive growth, stable growth, shrinkage, and fluctuating size. For the shrinkage and fluctuating size, we observed that ad library developers try to reduce their size by modularizing their architecture. We also observed that video streaming ads is the main reason for releasing a new version. We identify 4 main features related to video streaming ads. For example, they offer rewarded video ads. They also improve the video control, for example, start and stop of these displayed ads. They also improve the displayed ads so that they have the same look and feel of the app context, and they improve the prefetching of the ad so that it can reduce the load time. And finally, we derive a reference architecture for ad libraries, which contain 5 major components. The ad lifecycle manager is the main component, which take user input from app analytic component and retrieve ads from different ad network using ad retrieval component. With this information, ad lifecycle manager shows video or image ads on mobile devices. All these components depends on some utility functions. So in summary, ad libraries are actively evolving over time, and our derived reference architecture can serve as a template for creating or evolving an existing ad library. Now let's take a look on how mobile app developers integrate multiple ad libraries. We observe that integrating multiple ad libraries has a positive correlation with the number of downloads of an app. App developers mainly follow 4 common strategies for integrating multiple ad libraries. Based on our comparative study of these strategies, we observed that ad library developers need better support for integrating multiple ad libraries. More results of this study are available in our TSC paper. So in summary, ad library plays an integral role in app ecosystem. We study the evolution and the integration of multiple ad libraries. We observe that ad libraries are actively evolving over time, and our derived reference architecture can be useful for creating or evolving an existing ad library. And we also observe that ad library developers need better support for integrating multiple ad libraries. Thank you very much. This is MD Hassanuzzahman, and you can contact me through this email. Thank you.